Hello everybody, welcome back to Sydney Trainspotting. I'm Josh and I'm here at Quay. I'll be here for a couple of... I will just be doing some trainspotting here. It is Vivid time. Vivid just ended for today. It is 11:09. So on both platforms, on platform 1 I have an Ashford service, T2 Ashford service, and the platform I'm currently standing on I have a T8 East Hill service in 2 minutes and 3 minutes. Speaking of platform 1, here is the first train of the vlog. Set is A55. During Vivid, they've got these barricades here. This is to stop people from coming to this side. As it becomes very unsafe, people start running towards the closing doors of the service, and that's how injuries occur. So it's a really great idea, but they have put this. G126 leading in East Hill service. A55 now departing. Barely gonna get that. Then I'm gonna get people's head.
First stop, St James, then Museum, Central, Quaysburg, Mascot, Domestic Airport, International Airport, Walleye Creek, Torella, Bardock Park, Bexley Mill, Kingsborough, Beverly Hills, Narwee, Riverwood, Aston, Newstead, Eastwood.
They are now removing the barricade. The barricades have been removed. So TR22 on the leading. The trailing. Okay. One side they removed the barricade, which is platform 2. However, platform 1, for some reason, why does it still have the barricade? However, if you look further down the platform over there is no barricades in the middle of the platform. So it's only on either ends of the platforms that they put the barricades. Alright everybody, thank you all so much for watching. This is the train I'll be getting on now. So make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, all the good stuff. The set is A54.